automated scan. Ito natin smart. Tapos Chrome, attack. So may 14 na alert. So first one is CSP wildcard directive. The risk is medium, and the solution is ensure that your web server, application server, load balancer, etc. is properly configured to the set content security policy header. So next, CSP script SRC unsafe inline. Risk is medium, and solution is ensure that your web server, application server, load balancer, etc. is properly configured to the set the content security policy header. Next, CSP style accessory unsafe inline. The risk is medium. So solution, ensure that your web server, application server, load balancer, etc. is properly configured to the set that set the content security policy header. Next, content security policy CSP header not set. Risk is medium. And the solution is ensure that your web server, application server, load balancer, etc. is configured to the set the content content security policy header. Cross-domain misconfiguration risk is medium, and the solution is ensure that the sensitive data is not available in an authenticated manner using IP address whitelisting, for instance. Configure the access control allow origin HTTP header to a more restrictive set of domains, or remove all coarse headers entirely to allow the web browser to enforce the same origin policy SOP in a more restrictive manner. So next is hidden file found. This is medium, and the solution is consider whether or not the component is actually required in production. If it isn't, then disable it. If it is, then ensure access to it. It requires appropriate authentication and authorization, or limit exposure to internal system or specific source IPs, etc. Missing anti-clickjacking header. This is medium. So solution is modern web browsers support the content security policy and X-frame options. HTTP headers. Ensure one of them is set on all web pages returned by your site or app. If you expect the page to be framed only by pages on your server, example, it's part of a frame set, then you'll want to use same origin. Otherwise, if you never expect the page to be framed, you should use deny. Alternatively, consider implementing content security policies, frame ancestor directive. So next, alert. Strict transport security header not set. Risk the risk is low. Solution: ensure that your web server, application server, load balancer, etc. is configured to the set to enforce strict transport security. Timestamp disclosure Unix. This niya is low, and the solution is manually confirm that the timestamp data is not sensitive and that the data can be ag ag aggregated to disclose exploitable patterns. X type X content type options header missing. Risk is low. And the solution is ensure that the application or web server sets the content type header appropriately and that it sets the X content type options header to no snip for all web pages. If possible, ensure that the end user uses a standard compliant and modern web browser that does not perform MIME sniffing at all or that can be directed by the web application or web server to not perform IME sniffing. So next is modern web application that is informational. So this is an information alert and so no changes are required. Re-examine cache control directives. Raise this informational. So solution is for secure content. Ensure that ensure the cache control HTTP header is set with no cache, no store must revalidate. If an asset should be cached, consider setting the directives public, max age immutable. Next is retrieve from cache. This is informational and the solution is validate that the response does not contain sensitive or sensitive personal or use specific information. If it does, consider the use of the following HTTP response headers to limit or prevent the content being stored and retrieved from the cache by another user. Cache control, no cache, no store must revalidate, private, pragma, no hash, and user agent fuzzer, receive informational, so wala siyang solution. So, yun lang. Ayun yung ano lang.